Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. 9 divided by 3 times 2 plus 1. Now, this plus this will give us what? 3. 3 times this 3 is equals to 9. 9 divided by 9 is equals to 1. But this answer is not correct. According to our order of operation, we have to first of all solve what is inside the bracket. Bracket is also known as parentheses. Then followed by division, then multiplication, addition, and X stands for what? Subtraction. So if we follow our order of operation, our answer is going to look like this. 2 plus 1 will give us what? 3. Remember there is an invisible multiplication here. Whenever a number is close to parentheses like this, it is multiplication, so you have to multiply. So we put our times 3 divided by what? So we have 9 divided by 3 times 3. Remember, in our order of operation, division comes before multiplication, so we have to divide first. So 9 divided by 3 will give us 3. 3 times this 3 is equals to what? 9. So our final answer is 9.